Amazing. I can see that all of you are ready and sitting in your smart positions. Okay, let's first recap. Be ready with your notebooks and pen, right? What are the norms of our class, guys? The first is you will all keep your on. I'm going to wait for everybody to keep videos on. Mantasha and Nausheen, we are not while the class is going on. Thank you so much, guys. Joseph, Vivek, Zoya, Shabista, Sabah, if you could please keep your videos on. Keep yourself on mute, okay? Whenever you have a doubt or if you want to give any answer, you are going to personally private chat to Arzu Didi, okay? If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand in the chat or on the reaction box, okay? Thumbs up if you understood, or if I'm asking a question, clap someone's answer, or if you're understanding what Didi is trying to say, okay? Amazing. Soumya, if you could add people in.
Yes, I'll do that. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for all the thumbs up, guys. We are going to quickly move on. Okay, guys, mute yourself, the ones who are on unmute. Okay, be ready with your history notebook and pen because we are going to start the class. Okay, last time, let's recollect. Okay, last time we had done two things. Okay, sources of history. What are sources of history? Does anybody know? If yes, please raise your hand and I will come to you quickly, or give me reaction. Okay, Habib. Yes, I'm going to unmute yourself, Habib. Didi is not going to unmute you. You are going to unmute yourself. Yes. Source history. No. What define sources of history? Define.
पुराने जमाने के थिंग्स रहते थे.
Correct. जो हमें करेक्ट, बट वो जमाने की थिंग्स हमको क्या बताते थे?
सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री.
हिस्ट्री बताते. वेरी गुड. Okay, the same definition I had made you write in your books, guys. If you can say that definition. Shifa, unmute yourself and tell me. Yes, Shifa. Unmute yourself. Tell me.
Sources of history give us information about what in the past.
Where is of history? Give us information about what happened in the past. पहले के time में 3 types of sources, guys, very easy and you should know this. 3 types of sources. Come on, quickly send it to me in personal chat or give me the answer. Wow, there's so many raise of hands. I'm loving this. Gullu, unmute yourself and quickly answer.
Material source.
Yes.
Oral source.
Yes.
Writing source.
Written source. Good job. Mute yourself, Gullu. Thank you so much for answering. Good job, Sabah. Good job, Faizan. You guys have done the right answer. Thank you so much, Misbah and Huzef, for raising your hands. I know that you guys know the answer. Good job. Everybody, pat on your back. This is how much we had done last time, and quickly you have revised it for me. Okay. Now, tell me. Yes, Sabah. Good job. Okay. Now tell me which source of history are the following things and why. Okay, you can see images. What kind of, which source history are the images and why? Shifa says it's oral source. Okay, anybody else? Quickly type in the chat box. Guys, mute. Didi is not going to mute anybody. You have to learn to mute yourself. Yes. Tell me. Okay, Muskan says material source, oral source or written source. तीनों source चाहिए. Okay. Anybody else, guys? Okay, tell me first image. Unmute yourself and tell me what is the first image. Yes, Tanya. ये लेफ्ट साइड पे एक इमेज है एक औरत का जिसका नाम है मोनालिसा. Okay. So what kind of a source is this? Anuj? Yes, Anuj, please unmute yourself and answer the question. Yes, Anuj. Can you please mute yourself?
Okay.
Okay. Amazing. All right. Hello, Mahima. Welcome to the class. Please mute yourself and be in the class. Okay. A lot of you said material points. Material sources. What are material sources, guys? I made you write this thing down, so you should know the answer to this. What are material sources? Mustaqim, can you please mute yourself? Yes, sources, guys. Can we stop the recording?
What happened? Yes, yes.
Shifa has raised her hand. Muskan has raised her hand. Muskan, give yourself an answer. What are material sources? And after that, Anya to give us examples. Anya, be ready. Okay? Yes, Muskan. Good job, Sabah. You've said the right answer. Yes, Muskan. Okay. All right. Sanya, do you want to unmute yourself and answer? Good job, Faizan. You guys have raised your hand, guys. Yes, yes, Sanya. Unmute yourself and answer.
Material sources are physical objects made by people in the past.
Very good. कोई physical object जो हाथ से बनाई गई है in the past. All right. Thank you so much. Can you please mute yourself? Thank you for answering. Okay. Who wants to give me examples? Examples of material sources. Okay, I think Mantasha and Noshin have raised their hands. Can you please unmute yourself and give me examples? Yes. Yes, Mantasha. Okay, Huzef has raised his hand. Yes, Huzef, can you please unmute yourself and
The
answer?
material source examples:
House,
oak,
clock.
water
Okay.
bottle,
Didi had given you examples, Baba, last time. जो हिस्ट्री के बारे में और बताता है हमारी, जो हम फिजिकली टच कर सकते हैं. Think, Huzef. Good job, guys. All of you are giving me answers in the personal chat. Amazing. Misbah, can you please unmute yourself and answer? So many hands. I'm loving it. You guys know the answer. I'm so happy. Miss, can you please unmute yourself and answer? You can't do it. Good job, Muskan. Yes, that's a very good example. Yes, yes, Misbah. Can't hear you, Misbah. Guys, can you hear me? I think I can't hear Misbah. Misbah, can you please type it in the chat? Yes, Shifa.
Didi, there is the fort, cave,
Fort,
buildings,
buildings, yes.
coins,
Coins, good job.
mountain, mountain,
Okay. Monuments,
yes,
correct. and
Culture.
culture. Yes, good job. Okay, thank you so much for answering, Shifa. Guys, if you can see, thank you so much, Misbah. That's the correct answer. Thank you so much, Rifa. That's the correct answer. All right, guys. So if you see, राइट हैंड साइड पे जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो पिक्चर है दैट इज अ पिक्चर. तो पिक्चर भी मटेरियल सोर्स होता है. अगर आप कॉइन्स देखोगे दैट इज मटेरियल सोर्स टू. ऊपर पॉट्स जो क्ले से बने हुए दैट्स मटेरियल सोर्स, क्योंकि हाथ से बनी हुई चीज है, फिजिकल चीज है जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं. मॉन्यूमेंट जहाँ पे ताजमहल आता है, ठीक है, बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग जो पहले के जमाने में बनाई गई थी जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं. और ये कार्विंग तुमने देखा है कभी मंदिर में गए हो तो यू हैव सीन दीज हॉर्सेस रहते हैं, वुमेन रहते हैं मंदिर के ऊपर या फिर कोई मॉन्यूमेंट के ऊपर. दोज आर कॉल्ड sculptures and that also is material source. So you guys were right. Okay, amazing, good job. Okay, let's okay, now I'm going to show you images of something and you have to guess what kind of source are these. You have to find common things in these. Okay, you have to find common things. What are the common things in all of this? Guys, quickly, you can type it down in my private chat or you can raise your hand and I'm going to give you Habib has raised. Habib, can you please unmute yourself and answer? Yes, Habib.
The answer is first Akbar.
नो, इसमें कॉमन चीजें क्या है? ये पांचों जो आपको इमेज दिख रहे हैं, हाँ, कॉमन क्या है इसमें? या हबीब
मिस सेकंड वाला ब्लू एरो वाला
ये चीज में है.
Common.
Naksha, okay, all right. Okay. Naksha, as in you are saying that the map is common in all 5. Okay, और कौन सी common चीजें हैं? Paper, okay. Okay, all right, Habib. Card, okay. Now I'm going to ask Gullu to answer. Gullu, ये सब में पांचों चीज में कॉमन क्या है?
दीदी सेकंड वाला, ये साइड के सेकंड वाला.
Okay, okay. अभी guys, Didi will give you an example, okay? Didi will give you an example so that you can find common things, okay? So for example, हम में कौन सी सेम चीजें है? हमें कौन सी सेम चीज है? Soumya Didi and I, Maruf, please answer an answer. Yes, Maruf. Yes, Maruf. बोलो. Can you hear Maruf? Maruf, we can't hear you, Baba. Maruf, can you please type it in the chat box and send it to Didi? मुस्कान, हम मेरे और सौम्या दीदी में कौन सी कॉमन चीजें है?
दीदी दोनों
पढ़ाते हैं. अमेजिंग, वेरी गुड. ओके, शिफा. No, wait. Shifa has answered. I'm going to ask Mahima to answer. Mahima, tell me, मेरे और सौम्या दीदी में कौन सी सेम चीजें है, कॉमन चीजें है?
आप दोनों पढ़ाते हैं.
उसके अलावा वो तो मुस्कान ने ऑलरेडी दे दिया. Gullu, I'm not showing the screen. I've stopped screen share. Yeah. Yes, Mahima. Yeah, Huzef, I'm coming to you. Mahima, think, okay? I'll come back to you. Yes, Huzef.
दीदी आप अलग पढ़ाते और सौम्या दीदी अलग पढ़ाते.
पर वो सेम कैसे हुई चीजें? मुझे सेम चीजें चाहिए, सेम.
अच्छा सेम
वेरी गुड. हु इज ओके? नल कौन है? नल. Whoever has not written their name here has typed you both are girls. जिसने भी वो type किया, can you also type your name so that I can mention that? Okay, yeah, that's a correct answer. We both are girls. Okay, all right. Good job, Khushi. You have to answer this in front of everybody because you're giving the right answer. Okay. Yes, Tanya. हमारे दोनों के बीच में same क्या? Shifa, keep that ball aside. Yes, Miss Ba, you're right. We both are girls.
बात पे किसी के ऊपर जाते नहीं हो और किसी को मारते भी नहीं.
अमेजिंग. दो पर किसी को चिल्लाते नहीं है और किसी को मारते नहीं है. ऑल राइट. ओके. नौशीन, सॉरी, नौशा. यस.
क्या टीचर हो आप दोनों सेम स्टेट में रहते हो?
वेरी गुड. वेरी नाइस. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड सेम थिंग दैट हम दोनों टीचर्स एंड वी बोथ आर इन द same state. Okay, Faizan said that we both are in teaching in the same school also. That is correct. Okay. All right. Good job, guys. We both are teachers, etc., etc. Okay, last one. I'm taking one last response, and I take it from. I am going to take it from Gullu. Yes, Gullu. Unmute yourself and answer.
तुम और सौम्या दीदी TFI वाले दोनों जन.
तो निकल गया.
वेरी गुड. ओके, तो हम दोनों एक सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं जिसका नाम है TFI. ऑल राइट. गुड जॉब. ये सब सेम चीजें, कॉमन चीजें आपने हमारे बारे में ढूंढी. सेम वे में दीदी जो सेम वे में दीदी जो अभी है ना स्क्रीन पे बता रहे हैं ना, उसमें जो सेम चीजें है ना वो आपको ढूंढनी है. कॉमन चीजें हैं वो आपको ढूंढनी है. तो अभी ये इमेज को देखो, ये पांचों इमेज को, और मुझे बताओ कि इसमें कॉमन चीजें, सेम चीजें क्या क्या है. यस हबी.
इसमें कॉमन चीज ये पुराने जमाने की है.
अमेजिंग. ये पुराने जमाने की है. थैंक यू so much for answering. All right, I'm going to go to someone else. Khushi, you had made a very valid point. Khushi, can you please share it with everybody? Unmute yourself and share. Khushi Baba. Okay, do you want me to share? Khushi said they are all have something written on it. तो खुशी ने शेयर किया है कि they have something written on it. सब में कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. Okay. Anything else that you guys want to say? One second. Look, you guys. Yes, Sanya. Shabista is saying they are old things. Zoya is saying they have something written. Okay, Shabista is saying that there is something written on it. Okay. Sanya, do you have another point?
They are all part of a written source.
Very good. Amazing. Good job. Okay, high five. दीदी को high five करो screen पे से. Because that's the correct answer. That is, all of this are written sources. अगर देखोगे कोई भी चीज पे चीज लिखी हुई रहती है उसको बोलते हैं written source, कि वो हमको पहले के जमाने के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ बताती है. अभी दीदी तुमको क्विकली, एवरीबडी आईज ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, वो अकबर द ग्रेट मुगल दिख रहा है, वो क्या लग रहा है, क्या है वो? रिटन सोर्स करेक्ट, लेकिन कौन से टाइप का रिटन सोर्स लग रहा है आपको? यस शिफानी, रिटन सोर्स है. गुलनार, दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. बट कौन से टाइप का? इट्स अ बुक. गुड जॉब महिमा. कौन से टाइप की बुक है शिफा?
दीदी वो एक एम्परर के ऊपर एक बुक लिखी है.
Nailed it. Good job. Give me a high five, Shifa. That's the correct answer. एक एम्परर की स्टोरी की है, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं बायोग्राफी. उसकी खुद की स्टोरी लिखी है अकबर की. ओके, वेरी गुड. अब अकबर की में क्या दिख रहा है? Come on guys, you guys are doing good job. चलो आंसर. Yes Shabista, unmute yourself and answer in the chat. What is that? What does it look? Misbah think it's a, okay. It's coin. Mahima also thinks it's a coin. It's a seal. Very good, Faizan. Why do you think it's a seal? Can you share it with everybody? किसका seal है? कोई guess कर सकता है? You've read about this person, guys. Alfia. Who's raising hand? I can't tell. Oh, Huzef is. Okay, yes, Huzef. It's a stone.
Mughal types.
Very good. मुगल का नहीं है. नहीं मुगल का नहीं है बाबा. ये बहुत एक स्ट्रॉन्ग किंग थे, उनका है. स्टोन पर लिखा हुआ है. करेक्ट नौशीन एंड मंतशा. स्टोन पर लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन ये क्या लिखा हुआ है किसी को पता है? सील है. शिवाजी महाराज का आपको पता है? यस करेक्ट फैजान. है शिवाजी महाराज का सील. ठीक है, उस पे स्वराज्य का ये स्वराज्य का सील है. ओके, नाउ दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. हाँ, वो सील के एग्जैक्ट बाजू में इमेज क्या है? एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू गेस क्या हो सकता है? इट्स डिफिकल्ट थोड़ा टू गेस, बट आई वांट यू गाइस टू गिव इट अ शॉट. ठीक है, इट इज इन संस्कृत. खुशी, दैट ओके, दैट्स अ स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन. ऑल राइट. यस शिफा, स्टोन है. करेक्ट हुजैफ. पर स्टोन क्या? Shabista is saying stone.
I think there's a map.
Some map. Okay, that's a good guess, Shifa. Thank you so much for answering. Okay, Misbah, you've raised your hand. Misbah, what do you think it is? It's a map. Okay. Misbah thinks yes. Misbah. It's a map. Okay, guys. Someone is on. Sahil Khan, can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. Okay, Faizan, you have raised your hand. Faizan, do you want to explain what that is?
Stone inscription.
उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Faizan, what does it mean? I'll tell you. It is Gullu is saying it's a book. Guys, this is a treaty. जब दो देश मिलते हैं तो उन लोग एक ट्रीटी साइन करते हैं कि हम वॉर नहीं करेंगे, हम ये नहीं करेंगे. तो ये पता है किसका ट्रीटी है? अफगानिस्तान का रशिया के साथ ये ट्रीटी है, जहाँ पे इन लोग दोनों ने साइन किया और लिखा है कि हम वॉर नहीं करेंगे, हम पीस रखेंगे. ऑल ऑफ दैट. Isn't that so cool? नहीं होता है, उन लोग थे स्टोन पे और इतना ट्रीटी बनाते थे. ऑल राइट, next one is very easy, guys. Quickly type it in the chat box and tell me. I'm not going to unmute anybody. I want all of you to type in the chat box. It's a very simple thing. What it could be? It's a note, it's a paper, book. Okay, it's a map. Sandesh. Correct, Naushid and Mantasha. It's a sandesh. All right, it's a paper, it's a note, it's a letter. Okay, good job, guys. High five to everybody. High five to Mantasha and Nausheen for answering. Okay, all right, good job, guys. Now the last one. It's very, very, you should know this. Come on, guys. Look at it. What does it look like? Quickly send it to me in the chat box. Oh, very nice, Shifa, Faizan, Huzef, Mahima. Oh my God, killing it, you guys. I'm waiting for 2 more responses, then I'll tell you what it is. Jaldi se. Very good, Shavista. Everybody, good job. It's Quran, okay? And कहाँ की कुरान है पता है? ओटोमन टाइम की है, बहुत पुराने जमाने की कुरान है. ऑलराइट, टर्की से आई है. ठीक है, होली बुक. गुड जॉब गाइस, यू आर डूइंग सच एन अमेजिंग जॉब टुडे. ओ माय गॉड. यस एवरीबडी. मारूफ, आपने भी अच्छा जॉब किया. भले आई कांट हियर यू, बट यू आर डूइंग आल्सो अ गुड जॉब. ओके ओके गाइस, so you all are right. So everybody, this is your speaking time with Didi. You're going to repeat after Didi. All right, I can see everybody on my screen, so you have to repeat after Didi. What are written sources? Written sources, I want everybody to Read after Didi. Okay. Written sources. Good job, Shifa. Good job, Mantasha. Mahima, Maruf. I want you to repeat. Alfia, repeat after Didi. Written sources are. Good job, Muskan, Misbah. Are documents. Good job, Sanya. Or scripts recorded in the past. Okay. अभी साथ में written sources are documents or scripts recorded in the past. Okay. मतलब जो documents और script मतलब कोई भी तरह की book, paper या फिर कोई भी तरह का मैसेज जो पहले के जमाने में था उसको बोलते हैं written sources. Okay. टाइप्स मतलब अलग अलग टाइप. सबसे पहले रिलीजियस मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स. Anybody wants to guess what does this mean? We have seen the picture of this thing. Religious manuscripts का मतलब क्या होता है? We have seen a picture in the previous slide, guys. Guess religious manuscripts का मतलब क्या होगा? Habib, yes, unmute yourself and tell me.
This religious scripts का मतलब idea.
Religious manuscripts का मतलब
Ideas.
नो. पहले जो पिक्चर्स दिखाए थे दीदी ने उसके बेसिस पे ट्राई करो जानने की रिलीजियस मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स का मतलब क्या होता होगा. होली बुक. करेक्ट फैजान. होली बुक कोई भी तरह की कुरान, बाइबल, भगवत गीता, कोई भी तरह की बुक, ठीक है, जो रिलीजन पे बेस्ड हो. ठीक है. बाइबल, गीता, रामायण, कुरान, ये सब क्या है? रिलीजियस मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट. ओके. ट्रीटीज मतलब दीदी ने एक्सप्लेन किया था. ट्रीटीज का मतलब क्या होता है? ट्रीटीज जब दो देश मिलके एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं ट्रीटीज. ओके. हुजैफ, कैन यू रिपीट? दीदी ने क्या बोला? ट्रीटीज का मतलब क्या होता है?
दीदी दो देश मिलकर एक ट्रीटीज बनाते हैं, जैसे हम लोग फाइट नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग ये नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा.
Very good. Good job. Okay, Huzaif, amazing. Good job. Yes, Muskan, Gita and Quran, that's holy manuscript, religious manuscript. Treaties, okay, हम दो देश मिलके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाते हैं कि वो टर्म्स डिसाइड करते हैं. ओके. स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन. स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन ये क्या होता है? स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन. महिमा, आई एम गोइंग टू अनम्यूट यू. ट्राई टू आंसर. स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शंस का मतलब क्या होगा? गेस करो. वर्ड से पता चल जाएगा क्या है. स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन. Mantasha wants to answer. Mute yourself.
जो स्टोन पे लिखा
Those of you who are on not on mute, please put yourself on mute. Quickly write this down. More 1 minute to go. Hello, Khushi. You have 1 minute to quickly write this. 3. Oh no. बहुत आगे आ गए. story about someone, yes, good job, Misbah. That is known as biography. I'm so proud of you guys. Good job. I can see Tanya writing, I can see Habib writing, I can see Sun writing, Huzef is already done, Muskan is writing, Sahil, Yaqub, are you done or you're still writing? Faizan is also done. I can see Misbah writing. Aruf, I cannot see you writing. Can you please writing? Tomorrow we have a test. Thank you, Maru. Please quickly start writing, okay? Mantasha and Noshina writing, Alcia writing. Give me a thumbs up once you're done, okay? Shift is right. For those of you who I can't see, I hope you guys are writing. Aniket is done writing. Adit is done writing. Mahima is done writing. Shab Gullu is done writing. Habib is done. Okay, 10 more seconds, guys. 10 more seconds. Ten more seconds. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Guys, I want everybody to put your pens down and eyes on me. Pens down and eyes on Didi. Amazing. Thank you so much, Shifa. Okay, guys. Pens down, eyes on me. All right. Wow. Good job, guys. I can see all of you are writing today. Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to quickly read out this passage that's there towards the left. Okay, so I'm just going to ask anybody to start and I will stop them any minute and then I'll ask the other person. So I want everybody's eyes on the screen. If I ask Tanya to start and if I ask her to stop and continue Mantasha should know where we are on the screen. Okay, everybody. So all of you, your eyes should be on the screen. We are going to start reading. We are going to start off with Muskan. Muskan, you're going to start reading, okay? Loud, clear, confident teacher voice. Start.
My visit to Agra was dream come true. Many people have told me about the beauty of the Taj Mahal, but I had never seen it, and now I was going to see it myself. I com-
Paneed,
accompanied accompanied my whole family to visit Agra. It was wonderful morning of May 30 at
stop,
6
stop,
a.m.
stop, 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 stop. Thank you so much. That was a very confident teacher voice. I'm going to ask Falak to continue. Falak, please unmute yourself and continue.
We started the journey by car. We stopped at Sagar Ratna to have our breakfast. We entered the Agra city by 12 noon. First, we saw it.
Itmad Ud Daula.
It was Ud Daula, which is also known as the mini Taj Mahal, constructed before Taj Mahal. Then we saw Agra Fort, which is built in red stone, just like the Red Fort in Delhi. After seeing the two monuments, we were tired at lunch.
Stop. Stop. Thank you so much, Falak. That was a loud teacher voice. Lovely. Okay. Now, guys, you want to tell me which place is this person talking about? Which place has this person written about? Aniket, कौन सी जगह के बारे में ये person इंसान ने लिखा है? Aniket, you are going to unmute yourself and you are going to answer. कौन सी जगह के बारे में person ने लिखा है? It's mentioned here. It's written here. Read and I'll come back to you, okay? Okay, guys, for those of you who are typing in the chat box, that is the correct answer. Khushi, Gullu, Huzef, all right? It's talking about Agra, where there is Taj Mahal, okay? But did they go to Taj Mahal first? What is he talking about? Who did he go there with? Who did he go there with? किसके साथ गया था वो? Who did he go there with? You're going to type in the chat box or you're going to raise your hands and Didi will come to you, okay? Who did he go there with? किसके साथ he went to Agra? Good job, Misbah. Yes, good job, Huzef. Good job, Shifa. Yes, Habib.
Miss, he go
Gullu.
for himself.
He go for himself. With whom did he go? किसके साथ गया था?
His family.
Very good. His family. Guys, you are nailing it. Oh my God. Yes, that's the correct answer. It's family. Okay. So, said it, they went with their family. Okay. Which was the first place that they stopped at? First place जहाँ पर उन्होंने stop लिया था, वो रुके थे. जगह का नाम बोलना है. जगह का नाम. Place का नाम. What was the place's name? Falak is raising her hand. पहला stop कहाँ पर लिया था उन लोग ने? Falak, I'm going to give a chance to answer. Yes, Falak.
Itmad Ud Daula.
वो तो second stop था. Itmad Ud Daula was the second stop, guys. First stop. Yes, Shabista, you are right. Muskan, you are right. ठीक है. सागर रत्न. सबसे पहले तो उन लोग सागर रत्न के वहां पर जाके रुके थे. उसके बाद में इत्मद उद दौला. What is इत्मद उद दौला? ये जगह क्या है इत्मद उद दौला? कोई कंपैरिजन किया गया है? हुजैफ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आंसर. इत्मद उद दौला क्या है? मस्जिद है.
Yes.
Okay. All right. It is a mini Taj Mahal. Okay. Masjid that looks like mini Taj Mahal. छोटा Taj Mahal जैसी दिखती है. All right. Good job, guys. So far, all of you are reading nicely. Okay. I'm going to ask Maruf to continue. Yes, Maruf. Start. Loud teacher voice में you're going to do the reading. Okay. Yes,
पर
Maruf.
रुके थे?
वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. You should know. Then third paragraph. Then यहाँ पे. Can you see? Loud teacher voice, Maruf. यहाँ पर. Then third paragraph. Maruf, we can't hear you. There's a lot of noise around you. Who's this person? Guys, please mute yourself. It becomes very difficult for Didi to understand it. Okay. Yeah. Mahima wants to read. Mahima, unmute yourself and start reading. Yes, Mahima. Didi is waiting for Mahima to start reading. Go ahead, Mahima. Read.
Then we went to a Jai's place restaurant to have some rest. For lunch and had a short nap. Since it was Friday, we couldn't visit Taj Mahal as it remains closed on that day. So instead, are doing a cheap light cleaning in and to the bowling
Ling.
alley. Then we had dinner. Next morning, we wake up early to visit the Taj Mahal. The glam
Stop. Thank you so much. That was definitely a loud teacher voice. Okay, guys. I am going to ask Nosheen to read next. Okay. Also, why did they stop? First, answer this question, huh? Why couldn't they visit Taj Mahal on a Friday? Anybody wants to guess? It's not written here, but I want to ask, why couldn't they visit Taj Mahal on a Friday? Shifa?
दीदी because वो ताजमहल बंद हो रहा था.
बंद होता है, फ्राइडेज को बंद रहता है. Yes, that's true, but why is it closed on Fridays? Habib is raising his. Yes,
Miss, because लोग ताजमहल नहीं घूम पाते.
but only on Fridays it is closed. Why? What's the reason behind that thing, guys? Fridays.
Namaz.
Very good. Say it loud.
The Jummah's namaz.
Very good. So on every Friday, as you guys know, there is Jummah namaz. Okay. मतलब फ्राइडे की स्पेशल नमाज रहती है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई if you don't know, there is a masjid inside Taj Mahal. Okay, and people go every Friday to recite namaz there, and that's the reason why on Fridays there are no visitors allowed. Matlab people cannot go and visit and look at Taj Mahal. It is closed on Friday. Okay, got it? Amazing. Let's move on. Nosheen, I'm going to unmute you so that you can start reading in loud teacher voice. Okay? I'm loving how you guys are participating today and how you are all so attentive. Nosheen has left, yeah? I can't see her. Oh no. God, कहाँ आ गई? I think Nosheen has left. Guys, anybody else who wants to give it a shot, who wants to read? Faizan, you asked, I'm just going to give you a chance to read. The Tima. Faizan, can you unmute yourself and start reading? Teacher voice. Yes. Yes, Guldu. Yes, Faizan.
From where?
Where did we stop? I'm not going to say. Come on, Faizan. Where did we stop?
I saw time check. It's 3:05.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Quickly, guys. Faizan. The glimpse. We stopped at the glimpse. Come on. Yeah.
So instead, we enjoyed doing activities like swimming, playing, and going to the bowling alley. Then we had the morning. We wake up early to visit the Taj Mahal. The glimpse of them made my eyes wide open, and I was speechless. Would just watch, and watch. We took many photographs. We had to wear shoes covers because it was very hot. Then we went inside to see the Maqbara of Mumtaz Mahal and
Stop,
Shah
stop,
Jahan.
stop, 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 stop. Thank you for reading out loud so beautifully. Okay. So here, what is he going to describe? What things that here, what are the things that he's telling us? Anybody raise your hand and you want to answer? What are the things he's telling us? For 5 more minutes, okay? Yes, Misbah, unmuting you. Tell me. Misbah, I can't hear you, Baba. Of the time, Didi will be done in next 2 minutes,
To
okay?
say that Taj
Yes,
Mahal
Misbah.
is very pretty.
Okay, he's trying to say that Taj Mahal is very pretty, correct? Okay, all right. What else is he saying? Huzef. Yes, Huzef.
दीदी उन लोग बताए कि हम लोग नहीं पहले क्रिकेट खेले थोड़ा और फिर डिनर के बाद फिर सुबह उठने के बाद हम लोग फटफट तैयार हुए और फिर
Yes.
हम लोग ताजमहल के विजिट होने के लिए निकल
Amazing. Thank you so much, Huzef. Describing his journey and visited the Taj Mahal, and what were the things he had to do there and things that he couldn't do there. Okay, so one of those things what he had to do there was wear covers, वरना उसके पैर क्या हो जाते, hot हो. Okay, with what we have to do, we can stop the recording somewhere.